Hello friends, today I am honored to introduce to you the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, a smartphone that epitomizes innovation, performance, and design excellence. Building upon Xiaomi's legacy of delivering cutting-edge technology, the 15 Ultra sets new benchmarks in the smartphone industry. Design and display. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra boasts an elegant and functional design, featuring an aerospace-grade titanium frame that ensures both durability and a lightweight feel. The back panel's nanotech ceramic finish is available in cosmic black, each offering a unique interplay of light and color. At the forefront is a 6.73-inch WQHD plus LTPO AMOLED display with a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels, delivering sharp and vibrant visuals. The adaptive refresh rate dynamically adjusts from 1 Hz to 144 Hz, ensuring smooth visuals while optimizing battery life. With a peak brightness of 3200 nits, the display remains clearly visible even under direct sunlight. Performance. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform chipset, manufactured using a 3nm process. This powerhouse of a processor delivers a 30% increase in CPU performance and a 25% boost in GPU capabilities compared to its predecessor. Paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 4.1 storage, the device handles multitasking, gaming, and content creation with ease. Xiaomi has implemented an advanced cooling system, dubbed Ice Loop, which utilizes a vapor chamber and graphene layers to efficiently dissipate heat, ensuring sustained peak performance even under heavy loads. The camera setup on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is nothing short of revolutionary. The device features a quad-camera array co-engineered with Leica primary camera, a massive 1-inch Type 50MP sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, ultra-wide, a 50MP sensor with a 120-degree field of view, Leica 70mm floating telephoto, 50MP Leica 200MP ultra telephoto. The variable telephoto lens is a standout feature, allowing for lossless zoom across its entire range, a first for smartphones. Xiaomi's advanced AI algorithms work in tandem with the Leica optics to deliver stunning results in various lighting conditions. For selfie enthusiasts, the 32MP front-facing camera is housed in a small punch-hole cutout, featuring autofocus and a wide-angle lens for group shots. Back cameras support 8K videos. To keep up with its powerful hardware, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is equipped with a 5410 mAh silicon-carbon composite battery. This new battery technology offers higher energy density and improved charging efficiency. The device supports 90W wired fast charging, capable of fully charging the phone in just 18 minutes. For those who prefer wireless charging, the 15 Ultra supports 80W wireless charging and 10W reverse wireless charging. Software. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra runs on Xiaomi HyperOS 2, based on Android 15. This latest iteration of Xiaomi's custom skin introduces MiOS, an AI-powered assistant that integrates deeply with the phone's functions. MiOS can perform tasks ranging from summarizing long articles to generating images based on text descriptions. It also offers advanced voice control features, allowing users to navigate the phone and perform complex tasks hands-free. Additional features: IP68 rating, water and dust resistance for added durability. Connectivity: support for Wi-Fi 7 and dual 5G standby with compatibility for all major global bands. Security: an improved under-display fingerprint sensor with a larger recognition area. Audio: Dolby Atmos certified stereo speakers for an immersive sound experience. Haptics: an advanced haptic feedback system for immersive gaming and typing experiences. Pricing and availability. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is positioned as a premium flagship device, with pricing reflecting its high-end specifications: 16GB RAM/512GB storage, $1,099; 16GB RAM/1TB storage, $1,299. The device will be available for pre-order. Start now with general availability beginning April 2025. Conclusion: the Xiaomi 15 Ultra represents a significant leap forward in smartphone technology. Its groundbreaking camera system, particularly the variable zoom lens, sets a new standard for mobile photography. The implementation of AI throughout the device's software ecosystem points to a future where smartphones become even more intelligent and personalized. As consumers increasingly look for devices that can serve as all-in-one tools for work, entertainment. Thank you for watching our videos. Please like and subscribe our channel Jucter.